Welcome to Product Critique, where we explore the most exciting and creative products out there. Today, we're taking a look at one of the best fun stamp sets you can get your hands on, the Joyin 100 Pcs Assorted stamps for kids. If you're looking for a way to add color, creativity, and pure joy to your child's playtime or classroom, this might just be the perfect pick. Let's start with what makes this stamp set stand out. Inside the box, you'll find a massive collection of 100 self-inking stampers featuring 50 different designs. That means no two playtimes ever have to be the same. The designs include dinosaurs, zoo animals, and safari themes, giving kids a wonderful variety to explore. Each stamper measures about 1.5 by 1 inch. Just the right size for little hands to hold and stamp away with ease. What's great about these stamps is that they come pre-inked, so there's no need for messy ink pads or extra supplies. You can start stamping right out of the box. The colors are bright and cheerful: red, blue, green, purple, and orange, making every design pop on paper, notebooks, or crafts. These vibrant tones encourage creativity and imagination while keeping things simple and fun. Now, let's talk about how versatile they are. These stamps are a hit for parties, school activities, and reward systems. Teachers love using them for grading or giving fun stamps as classroom prizes. Parents often use them as goodie bag fillers, Easter egg stuffers, or even for Halloween and Christmas gifts. Whether it's a rainy day at home or a busy school event, these stampers turn any occasion into a creative adventure. Joyin has also ensured that safety comes first. The stamps are made from non-toxic materials and meet US toy safety standards, so you can relax knowing they're safe for kids ages 3 and up. Each stamp is crafted from durable plastic, designed to last through countless creative sessions without drying out or leaking. Beyond fun, these stamps offer a little extra value. They're a simple, screen-free way for kids to learn, explore, and express themselves. Stamping helps develop fine motor skills and gives children a satisfying sense of accomplishment as they decorate their own art, cards, or scrapbooks. It's hands-on play that sparks imagination and keeps them engaged for hours. Finally, Joyin emphasizes exceptional care. They're committed to customer satisfaction and put quality at the heart of every product. If you ever have concerns, their team ensures you get the support you need, so your experience is always a joyful one. So, if you're looking for an affordable, colorful, and creative way to keep kids entertained and inspired, the Joyin 100 Pcs Assorted stamp set is a fantastic choice. With so many designs, easy-to-use ink, and bright colors, it's no wonder this set has become a favorite among parents, teachers, and party planners alike. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you love products that bring creativity and happiness into everyday life, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more honest reviews and fun finds. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.